This IPv4, it uses 32-bit address scheme. It can store 2 to the power 32 address, that is, it can address up to 4.29 billion addresses, that is 4.29 billion devices. But what is the population of world right now? It's 8 billion. 8 billion. 1.4, 1.5, it's around, the Indian population, China equivalent. This will cover only 4.29 billion because everyone is having a laptop, a palm top, a watch, a mobile and whatnot. There are so many gadgets. So this 4.29, if you take one individual, we are 8 billion individual. Are these addresses are going to suffice? No. What is the solution? The solution is we have to develop a new addressing system or scheme. IPv6 is the new addressing system or a scheme, and it is not 32-bit, it is 128-bit, so that it can address 2 to the power 128 devices. Okay, so this is how IPv6 has come into advent, has developed.